Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage Google Assistant for your earbuds, REDMI Buds 6 Lite. You have to start by open the application and now go to the gesture. And we can add Google Assistant just for the press and hold. So we can add it for the triple tap, nothing, same with double tap and single tap. So now choose, you wanna call it with the left one or right one earbud. I will go in with the left one, but it's the same with the right one. And now click on it. Choose Voice Assistant. And now, if I press and hold at this, at the left earbud, I should call Google Assistant, and as you can see, it awake. So it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!